Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can convert a PPT file to a image file. So I have opened my PowerPoint and these are the slides are there, and if I want to change all these slides to the PowerPoint, what I have to do, I have to click the file and click on the save as, and I will click on the browse to give the path where I want to save it. So I'll select at the desktop, and here I will give one file name. So say for example ppt to image file, and click on the this type, right? Save type. Do not click on the save, click on the save type and click on the here three options are the GIF, JPG and PNG. So PNG and JPG used for the our image file, so I will use JPEG format and click on OK. So file name and JPG. Once you click on this, it will ask whether you want to export all this into the all the slides to the image or only one, just one. So I click all the slide, and we need to wait for some time. It will get okay, and we got message like each slide in the your presentation has been saved as the separate file in the this. What are the file we have? PDF to image file. Click OK, and let me go to the desktop and see what is there. I can see one folder created, PPT to image file. If I click on that, I should be having 16 slides so available here, 16 images. These are the not slide, these are the all are images. If I click on the right click and go to the property, see it is a .jpg file. So this is the image file, and this is the how we can create all our slide into the one image. So all these are changed to the images, right? All these. So this is the how we can change a PPT to the image. Hope you have understand, and that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.